100k per year. Is it possible for anyone to make that sort of money? The short answer is yes. So today I'm going to give you 4 reasons why this is possible and 4 things that you need to be doing to get you to that next level. First of all, you've got to be open to change. If you're not prepared to change, then don't expect your results in life to ever change. If you stay the way you are, that's the definition of insanity. Doing the same things is going to get the same results. So if you're not open to change, you may as well stop this video right now, because you're going to be sitting in that same place for the next 5, 10, 15 years. So number 2, beliefs. Look, if you believe you can or you believe you can't, you're right. What are the beliefs of the most successful people out there? What are they doing right now? And look, here's a belief as well. If you think that you can't do stuff like right now, look around the world. Is there evidence of people succeeding that have the same sort of abilities that you do? Of course there is. If other people can do it, so can you. This is a belief. If you don't believe that you can, then yet again, stop this video, because you're not going to take it any further. Number 3, value. You've got to be a person of value. If you're not delivering value to somebody's life, then you're not going to get paid for it. So the amount of value that you deliver to somebody, you will get paid in direct proportion to that amount of value that you deliver. That could be in business, and that could be in job as well. You could be employed in a job. If you're delivering more value, you will get paid more money. So number 4 is that you've got to get above the line, guys. And what do I mean by above the line? So if you can imagine there's a line, there's 3 things below it. Below that line is what we call like a victim mentality. These are things that are always happening to people. You ever see people and they're always like, oh yeah, I can't do that because of this, the government of this, I was born into a poor family, whatever it may be. You know, below the line, guys, you've got things like blame, excuse, denial. People are always blaming external things for why it can't happen to them. But then you get another type of people, and these are a lot less people in the world are like this, but these are the people that take responsibility, accountability for things that are happening in their life. So it's up to you. That line is a choice. You can either be below that line or above the line. But I'll tell you one thing, guys, if you want to reach 100k, yes, it is possible, but you've got to be getting above that line, being a person of value, change your beliefs, and also be open to change.